Hey yo, it's that boy Nature Boy.
306.
You know what it is, we back in this bitch finishing the deluxe. Yo Clark, you laced the drums on this, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes sir, I laid the chords, 306 on the drums. We out here co-producing this shit. You know what it is. Yeah, Nature played the chords, 306 lights up the motherfucking drums. 2 project in the summer, but no, I'm still going, I am not done. Whenever we lick, we making music till we see the motherfucking sun. The chosen ones, you know where we motherfucking from. 306 Nature is back and Clark is my day one, we going dumb. Hey yo Clark, tell him where the fuck you from, man.
306 where I reside. Keep it wavy like the tide. No.
Hit him again.
306 where I reside.
Okay.
Keep it wavy like the tide.
Wavy.
Roller coaster how I ride. 306 Nature till we die. Vibes till we touch the sky.
306.
Ayo Nature, tell him why. Tell him why.
I 306, I'ma tell him why. When I'm on a beat, I'm known to make them cry. Traveled the country, came back, now I'm right where I started. Me and 306 chopping it up on how we get started. I'm making beats now and they super advanced.
They banging.
306, keep them in a trance. Ayo 306, this is your chance. 306, this is your chance. This is your chance.
I'ma do my dance.
Do my dance.
I feel like Randy, got no pants. Hard to
Randy.
move me when I'm in that stance.
In that stance.
Half eating cheeseburgers at first glance.
many
So I
cheeseburgers
fuck
in that
Ricky,
guy,
not
Randy?
a chance.
Fuck
We're the birds, sound like the singing cheeseburger. Mr. Lay's always on my fucking case.
Randy.
Tell Barb I'm the assistant trailer park supervisor. Get out of my face.
Spin my rhyme just like a lazy Susan. Innocent until guilt is proven. Your team be losing, I feel like Cali, cause all we do is win. I'm in the mountains of my gang, you can see the fucking grin. Back and forth like a game of tennis. Ain't your boy out in motherfucking Venice. Feel like I'm Dennis the Menace, how I be fucking riding beats. Lace me up just like a pair of cleats, bitch.